Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to create an Instagram account. In this tutorial, I will be reading a step-by-step process so you will be guided accordingly. Step 1 is to download the Instagram app from the App Store, iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Once the app has been installed, tap the Instagram to open it. Step 3. Tap Create New Account and enter your email address or mobile number, then tap Next. Note, if you sign up using email, make sure that you enter your email address correctly and choose an email address that you can only access. If you log out and forgot your password, you'll need to be able to access your emails to get back into your Instagram account. On step 4, enter the confirmation code sent to your email address or mobile number, then tap Next. On step 5, create a password, then tap Next. On step 6, enter your birthday, then tap Next. Note, use your own birthday even if this account is for a business, a pet, or something else. On step 7, add your name, then tap Next. On step 8, create a username, then tap Next. On step number 9, read Instagram's terms and policies, then tap I agree if you agree to the terms to create your account. And then after that one, you can now add a profile picture, then tap Next. If you'd like to add a profile picture later, tap Skip. If you want to share your profile picture as your first post, tap the button that says On, then tap Done. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.